Hey guys, so today is Thursday and we've discovered a lot of mold in our apartment. For the past couple of days, it's been raining every single day. We had another typhoon that hit Nha Trang, and Nha Trang is basically like a little bit more south than Da Nang. I would say maybe about like 3 or 4 hours from here, but we got a lot of rain because of that. And it's still pretty cloudy again, as you can see. And it's been raining non-stop, so I'll give you another update of the mold here in our apartment and the water situation. So what I've noticed is starting to have some spots that they're not showing too much, but we have more mold coming. And what I've noticed, like I showed you guys, is even our clothes now, I was so shocked to figure out. It's never happened to me in Miami before, but these are my jeans and this is mold. And on this side of the bedroom, I showed you guys this before. Let me see if I can open it up to make it brighter. There's mold right here. You can see some spots right there, and it's all the way to the top. And I was just pushing this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't even breathe. Look at this. This is in our bedroom and we're breathing this all the time. Hey babe. And it's because it's crazy, right? I feel like you don't feel like it's that serious, but this is bad. And then right here at the top as well. So what's the plan for today, honey?
Spraying.
Yes, we're gonna spray. So that's the plan. Hopefully I need to empty a lot of stuff here. They're gonna come and clean the apartment, but I'm thinking of getting rid of all the stuff right here, and then we're gonna spray all the walls with vinegar, pure vinegar. We have to let it soak and then pick it up after. Even my little bag here, my little wallet, I left it for 1 day here and there's mold. Okay guys, so we're back home. We basically ran a lot of errands. We had to go to the Lynn visa for her to update her to do our visa extension. So we had to pay for her for another month extension, which the price went up a little bit this month, so she went to do that. So after we did that, we went to meet up with our friends UK and Mappy again. We went to a Thai restaurant this time, and then after that we went to Mega Market to get the supplies for us to start spraying the apartment. So we just got home. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we got, and this is what we have right here. This is the vinegar that I'm gonna use, 100% vinegar. I got this so I can scrub the ceiling. Thank you. Yeah, so I got this. I think it opens up more.
That's
to
it?
Get the. Oh, that's it. Can you reach? See if you can reach the top all the way. Oh yeah.
This is not. That's
Oh, the roof is taller. Hold on. Oh, so the ceiling's taller. Okay, perfect. All right, so we got this for this part. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Yeah, for this part right here. I don't know if you guys can see it well because this is not the best camera for nighttime. But yeah, for this. And then we're also gonna try to scrub anywhere else on the wall. So yeah, so after that we got 2 gloves, and these are the spray bottles that I got. I couldn't get like a very big professional one, so we just got these. And we're just gonna gear up right now. I think we're just gonna get our raincoats. Actually, we can wear those, babe. Those raincoats, we can wear that. That, gloves, mask, and then let's start spraying. Okay guys, I hope you can hear me. Well, let me put this down. I hope you guys can hear me or see me. I just geared up right now. This is my raincoat. I have gloves on. This is 100% vinegar. So from what I heard is that if you put 100% vinegar, not diluted, on the wall, you let it dry, and then where the mold is, you scrub it out, then it should be okay. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. And then we decided, I don't know if I told you guys, but we're going to sleep at the other apartment that we have right now, just so that the whole fumes in this apartment can just, you know, go away overnight, and then we can use the space tomorrow. So I'm gonna do the whole work right now, and then we're gonna pack. After, we're just gonna pack up here. I did find my leather jacket. This is my faux leather jacket. It's the only one that I have, which is perfect right now for the rainy weather. And it has a little bit of mold right here on this side right here. I don't know if you guys can see it well, and on this side. So Gonna have to get that washed plus my black jeans. I just went through my closet to make sure that nothing else had mold and everything was okay. But I'm gonna pack up some stuff and get ready to go. Let's get started and get rid of this mold. Just scrub the top and it's gone. You can't see it anymore. Great. Okay guys, so everything is looking much better, as you guys can see here. It started drying. We let everything dry for a while. I know you can see that, and there's actually no smell, so I'll definitely recommend doing vinegar over bleach. So we're just about to go out right now. Oops. We're gonna go get a massage because we need one. So yeah, so we're just gonna go get a massage and then we'll be right back. Good morning guys, it's the next day and I want to give you guys a little bit of an update of what happened on the walls. I don't know if I updated you guys about last night, but after we left last night, we went to get a massage, and then we got home and everything was fine, so we didn't need to go to the other apartment to sleep there instead. So we decided to just sleep here. And the fumes actually just are not as strong, I guess, with the vinegar. So I think it's a really good idea to use that. We're gonna try to do it maybe once or twice a month. I think once a month should be okay. We do have a typhoon coming tomorrow, so we'll see about that. But for now, I'm gonna give you an update of what it looks like. And it's still there, but you can't see a strong shape. Well, I guess you can see it more here. A little bit of water here, but everywhere that we sprayed and we scrubbed, it's a little bit less. Right there. This wall looks a lot better. You can see a lot of spray stains. It looks a lot better. And look, this one is gone right over here. I decided to get rid of the furniture that was here. It was another kind of like entry storage thing that was in another apartment, but I asked the manager if I could take it because there's nobody in that apartment, and she said yes. But I'm gonna return it because right here it looks like it was picking up a lot of mold, and I don't want to have any furniture with mold here. So my goal, I think, is just to eventually I have to find the right furniture for this place, because that's one of the reasons why we have things everywhere here. Right here, for example, I just have my Christmas tree and in our luggage, but it would be great to have some storage right at that corner. It's a perfect place, and I'm looking for a metal like furniture, like a metal cabinet, so I don't have to worry about mold. And another thing, please don't mind the mess, but I think right here also would be a good idea to put some kind of storage, like a dresser, an actual dresser. I don't know what is this, why they decided to use this right here. It just has absolutely no purpose but to just be here, but it doesn't provide any storage. Like there's no drawers inside, and it's very thick, you know. So yeah, I'm hoping I can find a dresser to go under this, where we can find more things, because right now our things are basically everywhere and it's a mess. This is the only dresser that we have, and it should be okay, but because we don't have drawers, and those drawers are all the way at the bottom, sometimes like you don't want to put your stuff there. And I want to give you guys a bit of an update on this. I don't know if I told you guys about the blow dryer, which I actually used today because I don't have the diffuser. But what I'm doing now, I'm just kind of like holding my hair and drying it so that the curls don't like shrink so much. This is the thing with my curly hair, my hair shrinks so much. Like it actually grew a lot, but you can't tell. I will show you guys. Like this is my hair length, but you can't see it because of the, when my hair is wet, it shrinks all the way up here. But anyway, so the update with the blow dryer, if you guys don't know about it, I told you guys a couple of videos ago that Ralph ordered the blow dryer for me because my old blow dryer blew when I came here. And I looked for a blow dryer that had a diffuser, which is the thing that holds curly hair up like this. I found it on Lazada, but they sent me the wrong package. I tried to return it, but the guy who was supposed to pick it up, the day he was supposed to pick it up, we had I think that was the day we had the first, it was a tropical storm. So a lot of people didn't go out and he didn't pick it up, and then they just canceled the return. So I'm stuck with the blow dryer. I'm just trying to find a way, like I need to find a store here, an electronic store, a beauty store that has a diffuser that I can possibly attach to this. That's one of my goals to do here. So yeah, that's a little update about that. But my goal for today is to basically get rid of a lot of stuff. We have a lot of things in the closet that have mold that I discovered yesterday. I have to go through our luggage and fix all of that. So hey guys, so I'm gonna take a little break from fixing the closet. I basically just wiped a bunch of things with vinegar again, just to be sure so there's nothing growing inside. I changed a little bit because the sun came out. Now it's out again. But it's the sun came out, so the weather is a little bit more warm today. Like I said, we have a hurricane tomorrow or a typhoon tomorrow, so that's why it's looking like a okay sunny day today. It's the calm before the storm, now that I understand that. So I actually want to show you guys what the storm is like right now. So this is where it is currently. I hope you guys can see it. So it's going to hit us tomorrow. So today's Friday, and you see Saturday and Sunday. Basically it should be right on top of Da Nang, right on top of Da Nang right here. So yeah, so that's why the weather may look a little bit nice today for now. And then the sun was out literally a couple minutes ago. So anyway, I'm gonna go meet up with my friend. Let's go. So it's the calm before the storm. So the weather's looking okay right now. Look at the waves. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to update you, and I'm sorry about that, but we just got news that the storm is actually stronger than the last typhoon that we had that I posted. So I think we're gonna decide to go to a hotel tonight because it's just not safe, because it's supposed to hit tomorrow around noon, and tomorrow I usually work all day, and then it also is going to be like going on from Saturday and Sunday. So if that's gonna be that strong, it's definitely possible that we won't have power, especially if we didn't have them last time. I think it's best to go to a hotel. I just called one hotel right now to find out if they have a generator, because that's very important for us. I was actually looking at some really cool hotels and apartments, but some of them are pretty expensive, and we're gonna stay until Monday. I think it's probably best to do that just to be safe, just in case there's no power. So I have to finish. I kind of started making dinner. I'm gonna make dinner, finish this. I did the booking, but I have to call the hotel, tell them what time I'm coming, organize everything, and then get ready to go. So I will catch up with you guys when I get to the place. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. I made it to the hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the apartment really quickly. The weather is looking okay for now. We're closer to the river today. I picked a hotel that is by the river, like I told you guys, because I wanted to stay away from the beach. But yeah, so anyway, to give you guys an update, this morning I had 3 classes with Magic Ears. Then I was supposed to have a 30-minute break right now because it's 9:30. So my first 3 classes were really bad. The internet was horrible. I had to cancel 2 classes. I'm a little stressed because I don't like to cancel. I like to work my schedule. I'm not somebody who cancels unless it's an emergency, and this is the reason why I paid to come to a hotel, just to like not have to cancel my classes. So it is what it is, you know, it's life. I'm gonna stay positive because I'm still lucky that I can at least go to a hotel, you know. So I'm hoping that tomorrow the speed is going to be better. I have 8 classes with GOGOKID right now, coming up really soon. This is my setup. I just kind of like put some of the chairs together, and I'm trying to sit here so I can teach, and then this is my view. So let me give you guys a full tour of the room. When you walk in, this is what it looks like. There is a half bath right here, and then a mirror here. This is like a little living room with the nice TV and the view that I was showing you guys, and my workstation. And then this is the bedroom. By the way, everything is messy because you know, we're working here. Oh, so I'll show you guys from this side. So if you walk in, you have a little kitchenette area where I brought all the fruits that we have from home and also put some stuff in the fridge. This is where Ralph is teaching right now. And this is the view from the hotel right here. This is the Dragon Bridge. This is, I think it's Cell Bridge. So yeah, it's a really nice view at night. So it's a pretty big room. Actually reminds us of our apartment. So you have a little sitting area right here, and then the TV. And then on this side we have the bathroom. Yeah, so it's pretty big, and there's a tub. I actually used the tub last night for the first time in a long time, so it's really cool. And then there's a glass window here to let in some light when you're taking a shower. So actually Ralph just went to get breakfast. I got some earlier and then just came to the room really quickly so I can teach. So I'm gonna go and give you guys a tour of the roof because it's not raining right now. So let's go. So this is the gym. Oh, it's nice. Got some nice machines right here. And oh, it's very windy, you guys. So this is the name of the hotel, Mintoy Hotel. So far we don't have rain yet, but you guys can see the beach on the side. Ooh, it's windy. Hey guys, so I finished teaching and it looks like the storm is just about to hit us. I mean, it's still coming in. It's going to hit us apparently tonight, so I won't get that much footage of it. I think it's probably best if I just end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next week. Goodbye.